Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be opening my subscription boxes for the month of October. I have my Ipsy right here and my Boxycharm, so let's just get started with this video. I'm gonna start with my Ipsy first. First thing I see in here is this one. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And this is actually a full size, and I believe this is more than $30 at Sephora, but I only got it for $12. So this one, the product looks like. Anyway, I got this mini spatula to like scoop, and this is what the actual product looks like. Next thing I see in here is this powder blush, and it says Betty Boop collaboration with Ipsy. It's like that, and this is in the shade All Dolled Up. Looks like that, and I believe this is part of my add-on as well. Right there. Next is this one. I don't know how to pronounce that brand, but this is what it looks like. And this is a lip and cheek balm. It's sealed, so I'm not gonna open it. And next thing I got is this lipstick, and this is in the shade Mauve Baby. So this is their collaboration with Betty Boop. This part of it, and I got this as my add-on as well. This is what it looks like. So moving on to my subscription bag, or my glam bag. So I got 2 sheet masks. This is Canola Honey Mask from Essence Herb. I don't know if that's the brand. Right there. And then I also got this tea tree mask. And this is what the bag looks like for this month's glam bag. In here I got this item right here. This is from Space Case Cosmetics. This is a highlighter. And this is what it looks like. This packaging reminds me of ColourPop packaging. It's like that, and this is so I swatch it right there, if you can see. And this is in the shade Seen from Space. Moving on to the next item in my bag, I got this moisturizer from Believe. I have the full size of this because I like this moisturizer. This is their True Cream Aqua Balm. And it just looks like that. It's just a moisturizer. Next thing I got is this from Betty Boop collaboration, and this is their mascara. The last thing in the bag is this brush from Crown. So this is what it looks like right there. So that's everything that I got from Ipsy. Next, I'm gonna open my Boxycharm. So this is what it looks like, and this is what I got in my box. First thing I see is this one. This is from the brand Luna by Luna, and I believe this is eyeliner, and this is in the shade Pegasus. I don't know if this is a black eyeliner because the packaging looks blue, but the color right here is black. You can see. Anyway, moving on to the next item, I got this lip gloss. This is from the brand Iconic London. This is in the shade Love's Stroke. I'm not gonna swatch it because I'm probably not gonna use it because I don't use gloss. Next thing I got is this Tarte's Pro Glow liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Stunner. Oh, this is what it looks like right there. And that's not, if you can see, I don't know if you can see it clearly. I'm gonna add some more. It's right there. It's this one right here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the liquid highlighter, Tarte's Pro Glow in the shade Stunner. Next thing I got is this glassy skin balm from the brand Touch and Soul. This is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm, so it's a primer. This is what it looks like. It doesn't smell like anything. So yeah. Last thing I got is this palette from Dose of Colors, and I got the Blushing Berries. Right there, and it came with a brush inside, and this is what the palette looks like. So that's everything that I got in my subscription boxes for this month. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!